Ball Engineer 3 Outlier GMT. It is finally here. It is packed with a lot of great features. Obviously the GMT, it is made of 904L stainless. That is a superior stainless steel to what's typically used in watches like your 316L. Superior in the sense that is more corrosion resistant. It is 1,000 Gauss. It has 1,000 Gauss of magnetic resistance. That is pretty high. It is chronometer certified, 200 meters of water resistance there. All your indices are tritium lumed. Tritium does not need recharge. It's going to give a constant glow. The bezel is lumed as well. That is just lume though. So two different types of lume. I believe it's super luminova, and then whatever lume has this black color to it. Let's hit it with the UV light so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, there you go. So that black lume is kind of a green glow, and then the regular lume is like a blue. Now, the watch in general has an excellent design, polished sides, very nice looking. End links are screw down. Beautiful finishing on this watch. The crown has the Ball logo on it, looks fantastic. All your links are screw down links. Now, if you look at it from this side or from this angle, you're going to see that that bezel overhangs a little bit more on the non-crown side. And that is just because you need to be able to access your crown. Ball says this watch is 40 millimeters. Let's compare it to the Datejust 41. You tell me, is that a 40 millimeter watch, the Ball? I don't think so. Maybe the case is, but when you factor in that bezel of the Ball, it wears much more like a 42 millimeter watch. It is very appropriate though that Ball did that with the bezel. It's almost perfect to grasp it. Very nice bezel action, 24 rotational clicks. The lockup is dead on. There is zero play. When I say no play, I mean absolutely none at all. Let's look at our case back here. Case back is screw down, very nicely done. Date window is excellent. Does have your anti-reflective coating. Your clasp has your Ball stamped nicely embossed. Dual deployment. Now your crown, I was very impressed with this. These crown guards are ultra comfortable. Loosening the crown now. There, it popped out. Very nice. Like the pop out is just perfect. And then when you wind it, ultra smooth. Now tightening it back up. I mean, it grabs instantly. So it's very easy to use. So as you can see, we're approaching a date change. It starts to change around 11 p.m. And then it switches right before. I don't know what it'll do when you're not mechanically doing it yourself. I found that there is a difference. What a watch does when you're setting it like this with your hand is different than what it does when it's just running on its own. Push it in a little bit and you can change your hour just like that, see? You can let your GMT set to maybe home time, and if you travel somewhere, you can change it to the hour of local time. Let's go the whole way around and watch the date change by moving the hour hand. There we go, we're starting. Zero complaints with this watch, but Ball Engineer 3 Outlier GMT, great watch if you're looking for a high quality GMT.